Happy solstice, everyone! We're starting our fire. We are so lucky to have a fire. Lucky to have a place to have a fire. That's right, Mark. Okay. Seasonal Creek is going. Had lots of rain. Oh, I feel the heat already. There it is. It started. Oh, yay! Our solstice fire. Yes. Cleaning up the butterfly bush branches from back there. We did all that work. We've got all those piles still of blackberries. These came from up on the hillside. Up there, where we did some work. We've got more blackberries. More blackberry balls that need to be burned. Cleaning it up. End of the year. Start more piles soon. Our loyal dog, Callie. Here it goes. Releasing up to heaven. The wind's changing a little. All right. Mark's got the tool for moving those balls. That's awesome. He doesn't have gloves on, but he's definitely got the 4-prong fork. Yes. See how he does it? Here he comes. sticks that fork right in the center of that bad boy ball and levers it, carries it. So awesome. Thank you. Grace. Ooh. Yeah. We catch it? Oh, we caught it. Finally got that fire hot enough to keep it going. Mark, we don't want to moisten it out. We don't want to dampen it out and make it go out. It won't go out. It won't go out.
Nice smoke.
Yes. Nice smoke indeed. That's a sugar pine. We brought that sugar pine home and it was 2 feet tall. It was in our trunk, along with like 5 other trees that we brought from California. Oh yes, probably around Christmas time back in the late 90s. It's raining, everybody. Can you see it? A little harder now. But we're still trying. It's crazy in the rain. But here we are. Happy solstice, everybody. We're doing our best here in Oregon. It's been a rainy season. Shortest day. First day of winter.
Oh, geez. I don't have winter.
Yeah.
Snowdrops are coming up.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah. Right. They poke their heads out of the fog.
We definitely keep trying. We love a good burn, even if it takes all day long, fighting the rain, fighting the wetness, fighting the mound of charcoal on the other side of this fire. It's huge. Yeah, it's like almost a 1.5 feet tall, maybe 3 feet across. Maybe 2 feet across. So we have to keep the fire on this side of that mound. And then everything starts to like dry out on the other side. And then we push it over into the hot box. Hey! Some air holes in there. Hi everybody. Thank you for coming along with us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for loving fires as much as we do. Now, as you can tell, we're like cleaning up things we've cleaned up already. Like the blackberries. I mean, there's so many here. So we take opportunities like this to burn them up, and makes a lot of smoke. It's actually like the moisture in the air. It's not really smoke. So it's not really bad, but it's definitely a lot. And I like it. I think it's very cleansing. Again, happy solstice. Bye. moved it. Got a lot of that stuff from here. There's a little pile left over there and a little bit down there, but I want to start working on that. Gonna burn up these piles yet too up here. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that big tree came down in an ice storm. Hoo hoo hoo, doggy. That's the other place up there that I was working on that the blackberries are coming from. Was a wall. A little bit left. Just a little bit left. We have to take down that tree there. It's too close to the power line. So I'm working on cleaning out in here. It's starting to rain. Finally catching on this side. Holy moly. The roar you hear is the freeway. It is a little noisy, and I noticed I could hear that on the video, so sorry, but the fire is still beautiful.